What's going on, guys? Joel back with you, another Snap on Wednesday. You guys gotta check this out. Here, I'm gonna take you off the stand here. You guys gotta check this out. This customer came in for a rattle noise. They thought it was in the door panel, but it's not. Let's see if we can get you to see this shit before we start Snap on Wednesday. Let's lift this up. Look at all that. As you drive, this thing is all these gumballs are rolling around. They were in the channel that was right here, and see, like that. But now, fuck me. Interior's got to come out and find all the fucking gumballs. Oh my god. Anyway, let's start Snap on Wednesday. Let's go. It's fucking Snap on Wednesday.
Oh, no coffee on the truck.
Oh yeah.
You can bring your coffee in.
No, that's what this car is for.
You know what, Tyler?
What?
That's a good place for that hat. Right in the garbage can, eh?
Was it a Mac?
Yeah. It looks fairly new.
Someone wore a Mac hat onto your truck, I'm assuming?
Not under my truck.
I didn't make it that
But he had it on. So I traded him for a new Snap-on hat.
That's awesome.
Good deal.
So I'll use it. It's cannon fodder now. I collect this stuff and take it
home.
I collect it all. And
Use it for
when
kindling
we
for a
head-
fire.
When we head out in the bush, it's target practice.
Oh, there you go.
Start a fire with it.
That makes sense.
No offense to anybody. It's good, clean fun.
Fuck.
What are you looking for today?
I don't think I'm looking for anything right now. I can't remember. Is there something that I ordered from you, Tyler?
Other than a top chest?
No, I can't remember. Is there something that we ordered? I can't remember.
Top chest.
I don't think so.
Well, it got his top box in.
I don't know. It's been a long week.
do you mean?
Yes,
Just
I am
fucking got
waiting
here.
for the deep flare nut.
Oh, that's
fuel
right.
line socket.
Yes.
It is
I came
not here.
over here and I saw like whatever was over here and it brought back my memory. My mind is just completely fucking blown from
Been
the
a
weekend.
long week.
It's been a
It's
really
your
long
first
week.
day
Yeah.
back.
What's up, Jessica?
That's called alcohol abuse, Joel. That's why you're feeling this way.
Liver abuse, more like it.
The liver is an evil thing and must be punished.
Sometimes you just gotta test it to make sure it's working, you know, so.
Shut up, liver. You're fine.
Yeah. Would you just get noodled with the oil filter wrench?
Yeah.
Oh, is there a big oil filter? That's got to be like a Cummins diesel or some shit.
Bigger than that.
Truck stuff.
Yeah, truck stuff. That's huge, eh?
That might be coming.
Yeah.
Yeah, no thanks. If I need this, you need to work on smaller vehicles.
Yeah. And then you're gonna get noodled by this too. You're gonna like be bending down over here and just whack.
Surprise. Oh, look. I can see shit when I'm going down on my wife.
Excuse me.
Is it that dark down there?
No.
Fucking guy.
What is this two going on about?
I don't know.
We're just being
He's tool completely. An idiot.
Oh, I see.
Oh, wow. This is the light that you
falling
have
over.
in your... Oh, you just logged into that too?
No, I'm relocating.
Yeah.
I guess I need another bigger truck.
You should get a bigger truck.
No.
No, not time for that.
Dude, there are places I have a hard time getting this in.
Yeah. This is your second truck, right? Second?
No,
Third?
it's like my fifth truck.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. Did you get bigger and bigger and bigger every time? Or just newer?
No, the first four were all the same length.
Oh, yeah.
They all had a 16-foot box. This is the first bigger box.
Mm.
I mean, they were a bit wider, a bit taller.
Yeah.
Let's see, back in the last century, when I bought my first one, it only had one shelf down each side.
Oh yeah.
One shelf.
Yeah. No, you can't sell many tools like that.
Well, I mean, you had
Can't
stuff hanging
stock
on the
it, yeah,
walls,
of
right?
course.
It's different. I mean, my inventory is 3 times what it was then.
Yeah.
Back when we actually used to sell SAE wrenches and sockets and stuff like that.
Yeah, I guess it's all metric pretty much now, eh?
Almost entirely.
Yeah.
Thank fuck.
That's why your SAE wrenches are always buy one get one free. You guys trying to get rid of it.
Well,
Buy the
this
SAE
month for
set,
us,
the
it's
metric
metric
set.
and standard.
Oh yeah.
I got them both. Buy one set, get the other set free.
I curse every time I have to work on my wife's Oldsmobile. How come none of my fucking sockets fit?
Well, you got
Oh yeah.
yeah when you go from 10 millimeter and 3/8.
Yeah.
That's the fun part. Like on the
You got the wrenches with the 2 sides.
the old F350s and stuff, or the 350 engine, where the intake bolts to the block, and it goes from 10 millimeter 3/8. Everything up top on the top of the intake is all 10 mil.
Sure.
And
If,
down the
correct me if
sides.
I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure it is because when the
Well, yeah.
block for the 350 was built,
Are we
it
hooking
was
up
all
later?
standard.
Oh,
And then
Next
when then like the intakes and everything have all been upgraded, so yeah, it's weird. So it's all metric.
Ford's gonna have 3 different size bolts on their superchargers.
most of the stuff, whether it's domestic or Asian product, it's mostly metric now.
Yeah. Now we're going Torx and triple square, and so now it's all what European
Torx
stuff,
Plus
right?
and inverted torques and
Yeah. Seeing more and more of that. Weird spots like under the dash and stuff. You see it.
and you have Fiats and I think some Chryslers now have the Motorque bit, which is 4.
What? Never heard that one.
One that looks more like a wheel lock than a nut.
Yeah.
Oh.
Fucking weird thing.
Okay. Fuck. So that must be Italian? Is that Italian design?
That's weird, eh? I was
They
pissed.
are showing up.
I was pissed when I had to buy 12 point.
If anything, they're just keeping you in business.
God bless them.
But you have a whole
But I mean, you
floor
got regular
dedicated
Torques,
to-
and then you got Torques Plus, inverted, and regular.
Fuck.
The CEOs of the auto manufacturers and the CEOs of the tool companies are all in cahoots.
Yeah.
Maybe.
And people wonder why we have such big toolboxes and such big tool bills. We constantly have to buy tools.
Yeah, it's not just for the fun of it, is it?
No. Nope, definitely not.
No, we all stopped buying tools we wanted a long time ago.
Yeah.
No, come on. Really, is that the case?
Fair enough, though. You're right. If I go and buy myself a new multimeter or probe or something, that's for me. I didn't need
Yeah.
it.
Well, I mean,
It is an
unless it's
addiction.
broken or something,
Yeah.
it is.
Oh, it is,
It is a
for
bit of
sure.
an addiction, absolutely.
Shiny.
Yeah.
I like having
And
the
I'm
right
no
tool for
different.
the
It's like
job.
driving around in a mobile tattoo truck, Tyler.
What?
Driving around in a mobile tattoo truck.
I fucking think you're onto something, Joel. I really do, man.
Oh man, I'm pretty sure there was a show about that.
Come to your house. I wouldn't be that bad.
Yeah,
You
be
gotta
the
admit,
cleanest
though,
truck in town. I tell you that much.
The atmosphere
Sterile.
at the tattoo parlor is a little different than
Yeah.
you get to hang out with the people you want to be like and not have to be like them. The gangsters and shit. Bikers.
Huh?
I have a buddy that's a tattoo artist and he likes it because he gets to hang out with those kind of people,
Yeah.
but he doesn't need to be associated with them all the time.
You're applying a stereotype now. I don't think that's
Yes.
nice.
Yes. Look at.
I am.
Is
I'm
he
tattooed.
Is he a
I'm
biker
tattooed.
and a gangster?
I haven't seen a single hidden
I'm a
dick
bad
on
man.
Joel
I'm a
yet.
bad man. No, not a certain single what?
Hidden dick in any of your tattoos yet.
No, I don't have any. I don't think. I mean, try
Am I
and find
missing
one.
something?
I do have
I'll try and find a hidden
tool, I
thing.
guess.
It's tattoos.
I have a tool tattoo right there.
People actually do that?
Well, I do.
You
Try
do?
and find hidden dicks in
Oh.
everyone's tattoos.
I'll let you grab me later, Jordan, if you want. You can look for my dick.
Whoa, hold on, Jordan. That's not a tattoo.
Oh, whoa, that's a
I
tattoo.
found it.
It's a 3D
Ah,
tattoo.
fuck it, we gotta
Holy
go.
fuck.
Yeah, you're back in the shop. Before we continue with Snap on Wednesday in the shop, you guys, this is a little bit of an update on this one. Look at all this. I don't see any signs of like rodent, which you would think would be rodent, but it's strange. There are like cookies and stuff down here. The customer just took possession of this car, which is kind of strange. They said it started off as like one sound, like one rolling, something like a coin or something, and then it started getting more and more and more. It goes back to the back here and not into the back seat, which is good, so I don't have to take the back seat up, but it's just this compartment that's right here that you see. So anyway, that's my job today. Let's get back to Snap on Wednesday. All right, guys, welcome back to Snap on Wednesday here in the shop. You saw the truck stuff. There's not really much to look at today, more of a fun conversation. You know how it is on a Snap-on truck, things get a little dirty sometimes. Not much going on. It's actually a bit of a slow day. You saw the vehicle that I'm working on. That vehicle's all gone now. Took out, it's got to be about 50, 60 gumballs out of that thing. So, not sure. I figured it came in through the back seat. There's the hole in the floor where the vent is. But other than that, just a second here. Turn off my fan in case that's making a noise. So yeah, that's all good now. Fucking went to Lebowski Fest on the weekend. I'll show you a couple of pictures. I'll put a couple of pictures up at the end. I managed to meet Jeff Bridges. We watched The Big Lebowski together. Actually, it was pretty cool. It was an insane event. Super fun. I recommend anybody who's a fan of that movie to go see Lebowski Fest. It's awesome. Other than that, that's pretty much all I got for you guys. I didn't buy anything today. I still have that one socket on order for our fuel pipe recall. Other than that, hope everyone else is having a good Snap-on Wednesday or Snap-on whatever day your guys' Snap-on day is. And that's pretty much it. Remember, check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Snap-on Collectors. That's the one to go to. Snap-on Collectors on Facebook. It's the one with the 30-some-odd thousand people in it. Yeah. There's new merch down below in the links below. That's connects you to Teespring. That takes you right to my Teespring store. And let me know if there's a design that you guys want, because I'll definitely put more up there when I get the time. So anyway, guys, hope you had fun. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thanks.